What is up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of three. So if that sounds like something that will interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join the shmoney team, baby, because we lit and we're getting our shmoney together, baby. Okay, so I was moving super fast. I didn't even get a chance to light the candle. Hopefully I can get a video out every day, if not 4 out of 5 days of the week. So as you can tell from the title, I know you guys can tell that this is a Happy Mail unbagging, unboxing, whichever one you want to call it. Shout out to Angel. Shout out to you, boo, for sending me Happy Mail. I really appreciate Angel. She has been so supportive during this journey. She sends me messages. She has supported my Etsy shop. She's, you know, always like just checking on me, saying like she hope I have a good day or hope I'm having a good day. Even when I am having a good day and on those rough days. And on those rough days, I really be needing text messages with DMs like that. So again, Angel, thank you so much. And it's so funny because my middle name is Angel. And a lot of people will probably not know that about me because I never go by my actual name. So I did not open it. I took the label off because I didn't want our addresses to be shown. So I did kind of get a little sneak peek when I was tearing it open. But let's just open it up and see what's actually in here. This would be literally, I think, my first Happy Mail that I've had someone to actually send me. So, what is this? Oh, it's stickers. Oh my goodness. These are Happy Planner stickers, and as you guys know I used to be a paper planner, but I recently switched over to digital, and I was kind of sort of thinking about switching back to paper. Oh my goodness. Oh, we have a note. Yeah, I know I like notes. So it says on the top, it says, "Dream big. Hey Queen, hope this Happy Mail brightens your day. Thanks for your contribution to the budgeting community. This package will hopefully inspire you to start paper planning again." Oh my gosh, thank you. This is so perfect. Oh my goodness. Y'all know I love stickers. Oh my goodness. May your coffee be strong and your Mondays be short. Exercise. Documented, captured. Oh, this is so dope. And I actually do have my Happy Planner. Oh, thank you. So I'm definitely going to have to consider back paper planning, even if I do a cross between the two. But I so appreciate these stickers. Oh my goodness, guys. Like, what do you think? Leave me a comment below. Do you think I should go back to paper planning with all my stickers that I love so much? Should I do a combination of the two, or do you think I should continue doing digital? But I'm not going to let these stickers go to waste either way. So, yes, I love these. They are so cute. Angel, thank you so much, girl. Like, I really love you. Thank you. So, if you guys made it all the way to the end of the video, y'all some real ones. I got a couple other videos to record. God has just been blessing me so much, guys. I I'll share that information in another video. But I just wanted to go ahead and open up this Happy Meal and get this Happy Meal, you know, looked at or whatever. But guys, like, it pays to do the right thing. Like, that's just all I'm going to say. It pays to do the right thing. If it's on your heart to do what you need to do, to get right with God, to line up, and if it's on your heart, if it's weighing on your heart, just go for it, because sometimes it feels like you're taking a whole lot of sacrifices, but at the end of the day, it pays off. And I've never even been the one to even talk like this, but God is definitely moving in my life, and I mean, just supernatural increase. Like, y'all, I can't even begin to tell you guys, like, all of the amazing and wonderful, abundant things that are going on in my life. But I'm not gonna ramble on too much. I got a couple other videos to record, but I love you guys and I appreciate you guys. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave me a comment, drop me a pink or purple heart emoji. Make sure you like this video so YouTube will know that you like the video. And if you're not subscribed yet, baby, you just missing out. Okay, hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join the Shmoney team, baby, because we lit over here and we're getting our shmoney together, baby.